So that's another tip that I have for you with your meditation practice. Regardless of what meditation practice you're doing or how you frame it in your mind, whether it's the do nothing technique or the counting your breaths or whatever you're doing, try to enjoy it. Enjoy the process. That's crucial. Don't lose sight of that. If you're starting to regret it and grind through it and hate it, then that's a signal that you're doing it wrong. Adjust your method, reframe how you're thinking about this meditation practice in such a way that you can enjoy it. And then try to bask in that enjoyment for as much as you can. Because in the end, if your spiritual practice isn't aligned with joy and satisfaction of existence, then there's something deeply askew there. Can you see that? Spirituality is not supposed to be this grind. And in general, I would broaden that lesson out beyond merely meditation practice to the entire process of self-actualization and personal development. And really even work as well. Like in the past, when I did work, my paradigm was just work, grind through the work, suck it up, and achieve the result. That was my paradigm a lot through school and through college. And then beyond that, for the next 10 years, really. That's how I worked. It was not a healthy, not a very functional way. I mean, I accomplished a lot of stuff, but it was not a very functional, and it's not ultimately a sustainable way to work. What you want to do with your work, with your business, and with other areas of your life, with your personal development too, is you want to enjoy the process. Make the changes that you need to make to your work, to your business, to your relationships, to your family life, and to your personal development, to the way that you read books, for example, to the way that you listen to videos, such that you enjoy it. See, there's two different ways that you can go about watching my videos, at least two. One is you can get in your mind like, oh, I've stumbled upon this gold mine of information from Leo. It's like hundreds of hours of content. And now I got to sit through all of it because it's all important wisdom and stuff. And it's important to my life. And I'm just going to grind through it, even though these videos are long and complicated. And I got to take notes on it. And so you can turn it into this grind. And you can turn personal development into this grind where it's always about like, I'm not good enough. I got to become better. I got to become more spiritual. I got to have a higher self-esteem. I got to have less fear. I got to be more loving. I got to be more self-accepting. And I got to be nicer to people. And so it's like, I got to do all these things. But then you don't feel good about yourself because you feel like you're so below all these targets and ideals that you got to be hitting. And you might be below it for years. And you might try to grind through my videos in this fashion. Or what you can do is you can actually slow down. And see, the problem is that when you're grinding through something, you tend to want to speed through it because it's a grind and you don't enjoy it. So you want to get it over faster, right? Like you want to get done with work so you can go off and relax and enjoy yourself. So there's that paradigm. And then there's the other paradigm, which is actually, how can I change my work so I can do it in such a way where I actually enjoy it and then I don't need to be looking at the clock and waiting to punch out and to go do something I enjoy? How can I enjoy what I'm already doing? That might mean you have to really change your whole attitude towards work or towards your family life or towards personal development or towards watching my videos. Watch my videos in a way where you can actually enjoy it. Because in the long run, you're going to watch a lot more of my videos if you actually enjoy them. Maybe that means going at a slower pace. Rather than burning through one video a day, maybe you do one a week. But you actually enjoy it. You take time to pause, to contemplate, to think. When you do that, when you slow down and you really get in the rhythm with with a thing, you go into flow. And when you go into flow, you lose all sense of yourself and it becomes effortless. Whatever you're doing becomes effortless when you're in flow. You don't put a lot of expectations on it. You don't put a lot of demands upon results and so forth. You just go into flow.